13 Effective and simple home remedies for corns and calluses. A corn is a small area of the skin that thickens when the skin experiences regular and excessive pressure. It is usually round and very painful. It is soft to touch when exposed to moisture. Calluses are larger than corns and are usually formed in the soles since this part is under the pressure of the body weight when you walk. What causes corns and calluses? Walking and running in ill-fitting shoes is one of the most common causes of corns on the feet. Standing for a really long time wearing high heels or tight shoes can cause corns. Walking without shoes, or wearing shoes without socks, or manual labor that puts pressure on the feet are other possible causes. People with hammer toes or bunions, scars, or warts on the feet or damaged sweat glands are more likely to get corns. People with diabetes and other conditions that result in poor blood flow are also at a higher risk of getting corns. Check out these natural home remedies to get rid of the conditions. Number 1. Castor oil. Castor oil softens the corns, and eventually, they disappear. You will see the results of using castor oil within a week. Apply the oil on the corn. Do this thrice a day. Repeat the process every day until the corn completely disappears. However, do not apply the oil if the skin is broken. Number 2. Pumice stone. Corn skin is dead skin. Therefore, it is best to try and remove the corn by rubbing the affected areas on the hand or foot with a pumice stone. Soak the hand or feet that have calluses or corn in warm water for about 5 to 7 minutes. Gently rub the areas with the pumice stone for about 2 to 3 minutes. Do this every day so that the affected areas heal faster. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar softens the corns and calluses as it exfoliates the dead skin cells. It is also antibacterial in nature, therefore, using it on your feet will kill any bacteria that are lurking around the affected areas on the feet. This is one of the best natural remedies for corns. Soak your feet in a warm water bath for a few minutes. Apply apple cider vinegar on the corn using some cotton balls. For about 5 minutes, keep the cotton balls firmly pressed against the affected area. Keep it pressed until the vinegar dries. Then, apply tea tree oil on the corn. Do not wash your feet. Do this every day until the corn comes off in 2 to 3 days. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic is a home remedy for many conditions including corn removal at home. This is best used at nights. Cut the garlic clove in half. For 1 minute, rub one half of the clove on the corn. Place the other half on the corn and cover it using the crepe bandage. The next morning, wash the area. Do this every night for a very few days. Number 5. Bread. The vinegar present in the bread softens the corns and calluses. This is one of the most effective home remedies for calluses. Soak the bread in some vinegar. Place it on the affected area. Secure the area with the gauze. You could also try covering it with a plastic wrap. Leave it overnight. You will notice a difference the next morning. Repeat the process for 1 to 2 nights to remove the corn completely. Number 6. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is an amazing skin moisturizer. It will be easy to remove the corn with a pumice stone once the skin turns soft and supple. Apply the oil on the affected area. Make sure you massage it properly on the skin. Reapply this thrice a day. Number 7. Papaya. Papaya is really popular for its healing properties. It can also slough the skin off. This is due to the enzyme papain that is present in papaya. This is a nice corn treatment at home. Apply a small piece of papaya on the corn. Leave the papaya overnight. If applying the piece of papaya is difficult, then dab fresh papaya juice on the corn. Repeat the process every night until the corn falls off. Number 8. Turmeric. This is a very nice remedy to heal corns. The turmeric has healing and antimicrobial properties that will heal the corn in just a few days. This is a very effective natural remedy for corns. Make a thick paste of honey and turmeric paste. Apply the paste on the corn. Let the paste air dry. Rinse the paste off. Apply this twice a day. You will notice the corn reducing in size in about 2 to 3 days. Number 9. Lemon. Lemon's acidic quality makes it an amazing home remedy to get rid of corns. It helps to alleviate discomfort, and you will notice it reducing in a few days. Apply some lemon on the corn. Secure this slice with a bandage. Leave the bandage on overnight. Continue using this remedy until you see no trace of the corn. Number 10. Pineapple. This fruit is a great way to treat corns at home. It will help to alleviate the pain and hasten healing. The pineapple has an enzyme called bromelain which helps dissolve the callus or corn. Take a piece of pineapple and place it on the corn. Secure it with a bandage and leave it on overnight. Doing this every night will help in reducing the corn, and it will disappear in a week or so. Number 11. Onion. Onion has many antioxidants that will enhance the healing process of the corns and calluses. It is also good at reducing scars on the skin. Onions will make sure that there are no marks left behind. Place the onion slice on the affected area. Secure it with the help of the gauze. Leave it on overnight and discard it the next morning. When you do this every day, you will notice changes within a week. Number 12. Oatmeal Soak. Oatmeal is good at soothing the skin because of the excellent exfoliating agent that is present in them. Boil the oatmeal in plain water for about 5 minutes. Strain the water and apply the oatmeal on the corn. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing the oatmeal off. Repeat the process twice a day. However, make sure that the oatmeal is not very hot or you might end up scalding the skin. Number 13. Salicylic Acid. The salicylic acid is good at breaking the bond between the skin cells that accumulate on the side of the corn and callus. By increasing the amount of moisture in the area, it slowly starts to dissolve the corn. Soak the corn in warm water for 5 minutes. Pat the area dry and rub a pumice stone to remove the dead layers of skin. Apply a thin layer of the salicylic acid liquid and leave it on for 5 minutes. Rinse it off with clean water. Repeat this once or twice a day for about 2 weeks. How to prevent corn and calluses? Get proper fitting shoes. Get shoes that are neither too tight nor too loose. Trim your toenails. Long toenails can force your toes to push up. This might cause corns since the pressure is created. Use corn pads. Corn pads will help you protect yourself against excess friction and pressure around the corn. Keep your feet clean. Wash your feet properly with soap, water, and a scrub brush. Keep the feet moisturized. To prevent dryness and friction, use foot cream regularly. Wear socks. Try wearing socks that are thick with cushioned soles. This will prevent the calluses from getting worse. You can try these home remedies for foot corn and calluses if you or your loved one is suffering from these problems. These can be managed at home, and removal usually does not require surgery. However, it is best to consult a doctor first if you have diabetes or if your corns are very painful.